Are you ready?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Today we
Yes,
got a
ma'am.
presentation.
Yeah.
The students.
Today there are 5 people.
Yes, sir.
Let us start with the youngest.
Youngest.
Youngest is Kirtana. Na?
Yashwini. Yashwini.
Yashwini. Let her, if she is ready, ask her to open her video and then start. Yashwini's subject is budget session of parliament. That is more important also. Yashwini, please, you start your lecture. No, you open your audio. You open your audio.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Budget session 2021 of Parliament, which was held on Friday 29 January 2021, has been adjourned on Thursday 25th January 2021. In between Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, adjourned on Friday 12 February 2021 and Saturday 13 February 2021 respectively, and reassembled on Monday 8th March 2021 to enable departmental related standing committees to examine and report to the demands for grant relating to various ministries and departments. Speaking about budget session, Union Ministry for Parliament Affairs Sri Prahalad Joshi stated that during the entire budget session 2021, there were 24 sittings of Lok Sabha and 23 sittings of Rajya Sabha. The first part of budget session yielded a total of 12 sittings of Lok Sabha and 11 sittings of Rajya Sabha. There were 12 sittings of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha respectively in the second part of the sessions. The session which was originally scheduled to have sittings till 8 April 2021, was curtailed due to demands of leaders of various political parties in both the houses, so the members could participate in the election process in the certain states and union territories. Thank you.
How many bills have been passed? Any idea? How many bills were introduced and how many bills have been passed? Yashwini? Yashwini,
Yes,
how many bills? Any idea?
No, sir.
The 3 bills have been passed. Yeah, then now we can go to Kirtana. Kirtana,
Yes, sir.
you open your video and start. Your subject is new education policy. This we have already discussed earlier also. Even then, you please continue.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My topic is New Educational Policy 2020. Modi's government has introduced this policy to bring some reforms and changes in our educational system in India. After a long gap of 34 years, our educational policy has changed this year. Earlier, it was National Policy on Education in 1986. It was 10 plus 2 system has been dropped, but now 10 plus 2 has been changed from 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So that includes foundational stage, and second one is preparatory stage, and third one is middle school stage, and last one is high school stage. So foundational stage consists of 5 years. It includes 3 years of pre-primary and grade 1 and grade 2. Age group is between 3 to 8 years. And preparatory stage consists of 3 years. It includes class 3, class 4 and class 5. Age group is between 8 to 11 years. And middle school stage, it's a duration of 3 years, and it includes class 6, 7 and 8. Age group is between 11 to 14 years, And the last one is high school stage. It's a duration between 4 years, and it includes class 9, 10, 11, and 12. Age group is between 14 to 18 years. It is divided into two phases. First one, semester system of examination, and the second one, no stream system. So first one includes student will have to appear examination twice in a year. 360-degree assessment report card will be provided, and in the final report card, the result of not only quantitative assessment but also qualitative assessment of the student will be recorded. And no stream system covers a student can opt for any subjects of any stream of his or her interest. For example, he or she can take any combination of accounts, history, physics, or maths. 4 years bachelor degree course. On the exit of doing 1 year course, student will get a certificate called course certificate. On the exit of 2 years, student will get a diploma certificate. On doing 3 years course, student will get a bachelor degree certificate. On the completion of full course, he will get a bachelor degree along with a research certificate so that he can pursue his further education. These are some few basic key points of National Educational Policy 2020. But the main focus and theme of National Educational Policy 2020 is the early childhood care and education. That is the foundation of learning. And the second one, foundational literacy and numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning. And third one, curtailing dropout rates and ensuring universal access to educational at all the levels. Curriculum and fourth one, curriculum and pedagogy in schools. Learning should be holistic, integrated, and enjoyable and engaging. And the last one is training teachers. Training teachers and skill-based teachers is very important because they take effective and manageable classes to the children, and they bring up new techniques, new methods to attract the children in the learning while learning encouragement. And the main focus is to have a early childhood and education, that everyone in our country should have a nice childhood and a very enjoyable education. And everyone who is above 4 years should have the access to the education. And this main focus is that the dropping rates of the school of the girls should be reduced, and everyone should go to school and pursue higher education. And it is mandatory that new education policy states that 6% of budget should be spent on education. But this year there was only 3.5% budget is spent in education. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, who was the chairman of the committee who recommended this? Any idea?
Education minister, sir.
No, Kasturi Rangan. Kasturi Rangan, he was the chairman of the committee, and he suggested this, and finally the government of India has made this, and we have presented it very well. It was very comprehensive. Very nice of you, Kirtana. Then we will go to Sneha.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sneha, and my topic is agricultural sector in India.
Can't you open your video?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
One more thing, Sneha, we will join once again, sir.
Yeah,
Because
please.
the session will end maybe.
Sir, am I visible?
1 minute. We'll join again, Sneha,
Once again, Sneha.
because the time is over. Yeah.
Meeting will end. We please join.